ladies, let's learn a little bit about fix a flat basics. So, if you're riding your bike, flats will probably happen. Unfortunately, they just happen. There's stuff in the road. Sometimes our tires get worn out, the tube gets worn out. They happen. So, the best thing we can do is be prepared when they do happen. And kind of know what to look out for to mitigate future flats. So first let's talk tubes. So this is your bike tube. It's a rubber tube. The tire is the hard rubber piece that goes around the outside. So it's that shaped tire. This is a tube. So there are two types of tubes, or two types of valves on tubes. This is a Schrader valve, just like the one on your car. So it's got this cap. It's got a little pin inside. You'll depress that pin to let the air out. So that's Schrader, short Schrader. This is a Presta. Okay, so a Presta style tube is essentially the same thing as a Schrader, except instead of having that casing on the outside of this pin, it's exposed. So in order to release a Presta valve, you need to unscrew this top piece so that this pin can be depressed. Okay, the pin can be depressed. Once you fill this with air, you'll need to tighten that back down to keep that pin from being depressed. Okay, so Presta, Schrader. On all of our tubes, the size is printed on the side. So this is a 26 by 1.9 to 2.2. So it works for a range, but the important number here is 26. That's more of a mountain style. It's smaller in diameter, whereas a 700C, 700 centimeter, is your typical road style tube, 700C. So whatever you have, you're going to look at the side of your tire and you'll see the number there, and that's the size of tube that you should be buying. Okay, so that's tubes. Next we'll move on to how to check for a flat and how to remove the tire from your bike.